Toy Monkey.
Red, yellow. What color do you get when you mix red and yellow? It becomes orange. Look, it's an orange soccer ball. The ball has 4 white pointy things. Can you guess what they are for? Let's find out by turning this handlebar on top of the soccer ball. Are you ready? Wow! The soccer ball sings and lights up. The 4 pointy things were for the colorful lights. Blue, two small blue soccer balls. So squishy and bouncy as well. One big blue soccer ball. Let's spin it again. Are you ready? Go! Look, it spins so fast. White, how many white eggs do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 white eggs. One big white soccer ball. Let's turn the handlebar to spin the ball. Are you ready? Go! Yellow. This is a blender. Let's use a blender to crush the yellow balls. All done. 2 yellow soccer balls. So soft and bouncy. What's this? It's a hungry smiley face.
Hello.
Let's find out if the face ball sings a different song. Aha! It's the same song. Red, pink. This is a blender. We can change the front to make the blender into a mixer. Two pink little soccer balls. Here we have toy teeth holding red roses, and they have pink feet.
Hey, hi. How are you? Good.
Let's wind up the toys and see how they move across the table. Hey, where are you guys going? So much fun! Max the dump truck is carrying the soccer balls. Beep beep! Let's have some fun with light show! Woohoo! Thanks for watching. See you next time.